Hi, this is Tony, your guide for all things fiber internet construction at Nuvera. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest parts of the process, splicing. Splicing is the critical step that connects the fiber optic lines from the main line directly to your home. Think of it as the final handshake that brings lightning-fast fiber internet straight to you. Here's how it works. We use a specialized machine called a fusion splicer to get the job done. This little gadget precisely aligns the two fiber ends. Then, using an electric arc or another heat source, it fuses or welds the glass ends together. The result? A seamless, reliable connection that ensures your fiber internet runs smoothly, with no interruptions. This critical process sets our techs up for the last step in fiber installation, the home install. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, at Nuvera, we're not just connecting fibers, we're connecting communities. See you next time.